Let's learn the alphabet, A to Z. With all the animal friends we'll meet. A is for alligator, having fun, playing around in the bright warm sun.
B is for bear with paws so sticky, licking honey sweet and tricky.
C is for cat, so soft and small, with shiny eyes that see it all.
D is for dog, playful and free, chasing the wind under the old oak.
E is for elephant, big and strong, spraying water and singing a song. F is for fox, sly with twinkling eyes. G is for giraffe, graceful and tall, nibbling green leaves, the tallest of all. H is for horse, happy and strong, galloping swiftly all day long. I is for iguana, clever and bright, climbing through leaves from morning to night. J is for jellyfish, gentle and grand, floating so softly near the sea sand. K is for koala, cuddly and sweet, hugging tall trees where leaves are a treat. L is for lion, brave and strong, with a big loud roar, he rules all day long. M is for monkey, swinging free from tree to tree. N is for numbat, small and sweet, searching for termites, a tasty treat. O is for owl, awake at night, with big round eyes, he sees just right. P is for parrot, color so bright, he loves to chatter, squawk, from morning to night. Q is for quail, quick on her feet, she hops around in the forest so neat. R is for rabbit, so fluffy and white, wiggling his nose in the morning light. S is for sheep, soft as a cloud, she jumps so high with a happy little bound. T is for tiger, in the jungle so bright, with a party hat on, what a happy sight. U is for unicorn, under the rainbow, the sky is so bright, a magical sight. V is for vulture, on a branch so high, watching the jungle world go by. W is for wallaby, who loves to play, hopping round in the sun all day. X is for xenops, hopping with glee, along a log for all to see. Y is for yak, so big and strong, strolling through the fields all day long. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white, standing by the pond, a happy sight.